Selecting the people who will speak in your virtual summit. This is the time to get closer to your invited participants. It may be that you already know some of the participants in person. This turned out to be the easiest. For others, it will be somewhat more complicated to get in touch with them and plan their intervention at the summit. Choose influencers that go with your style, with those you find interesting, and the most important, with those who will add value to your virtual summit. The order of participation of your guests is critical. This order influences how your audience attention will unfold. The number of guests who will speak ranges from 5 to 30. Be careful to select the ideal amount for your virtual summit. Using many participants' guests can be challenging to manage. The number of participants should be according to each participant's time and the total time of each day of your virtual summit. When you contact your invited participants, treat them like your colleagues, rather than a fan of a teacher. It is vital that they feel that their participation in the event will be beneficial to them. Make your invitation sound exciting.
Yes!
Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.